that we have lost our mittens. Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 then you shall have no pie. Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, for we have found our mittens. Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, then you shall have some pie. Purr, 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 oh, let us have some pie. Three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear that we have soiled our mittens. What soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then they began to sigh. Meow, 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 then they began to sigh. Three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, do you not hear that we have washed our mittens? Washed your mittens, you good kittens, but I smell a rat close by.